My name is Abraham Lincoln. I am the 16th President of the United States. I'm originally from Kentucky, lived in Indiana and Illinois now, and of course currently in Washington, D.C. We're had a event here to bring people information about the history, and hopefully they can come and see things that they won't normally see in their everyday lives.
Well, my name is Sam Chetwynd, and I'm with the 15th New York Engineers. I've recently joined the Northeast Topographical Engineers, and they're the folks that made the maps during the Civil War. Now we have this Lynn Common, which is an absolutely beautiful spot. It's, I think, definitely one of the gems of the city. And we've got the Civil War Encampment set up here with all kinds of people from around, well, I don't know if they're from outside of the state or not, but we've got the artillery down here. We've got a really excellent exhibition of Navy information, all kinds of period pieces, some actual artifacts from the time. And the whole event is being organized by the Civil War Roundtable and the GAR Hall and Museum. And if nobody's been down to the GAR Hall, that place is definitely someplace to take in. They have a collection of much more than Civil War artifacts. They have phenomenal photographs. I think there's over 600 of them, portrait photographs of Civil War GAR members. Actually, this is the 150th anniversary year of the GAR being established. It stands for the Grand Army of the Republic, and it was what the Union soldiers organized as a military fraternal organization after the war, so they could keep in touch with each other. So there's all kinds of people to talk to down here. Oh, I don't want to forget the Salem Zouaves. They're down here. They do a phenomenal bayonet drill. It's like a ballet, and it shows how infantry soldiers could protect themselves if they were too close to their enemy to load and fire. So they would defend themselves with a bayonet and against either foot soldiers or cavalry, and it's a wonderful thing to watch. So there's a lot of stuff going on down here, and there's a lot of people that are happy to talk to you about what, our particular passions.